Drusilla OC, our Academic Area Coordinator, Mrs. Mary Jane Tejeda, our Makabayan Area Coordinator, Ms. Virginia Gumpal, our Religion Area Coordinator, Mr. Juanito Nasataya Jr., our Activity Area Coordinator, Mr. Ryan Jeffrey Garcia, teaching and non-teaching personnel, loving parents, friends, guardians, and to my fellow graduates, good afternoon. It is my honor to stand here before you and share my thoughts, my gratitude, and everything that made the history of my life complete. I have been studying at Siena College of San Jose for 6 years. I was only a little child when I started the first day of class. I was afraid to step inside of the room because of this unfamiliar faces that welcome me. Thus, as I go along the journey of learning, I had friends who are always there when I'm down. There are teachers who hold me as a whole, who teach me about the things around me. They serve as my parents inside the campus and a best friend that guides me outside. I want to thank my friends for almost everything. They are one of my inspirations in going to the school every day. They cheer me up when I'm down. They give me advices to my small problems. They know almost everything about me. Maybe I'm not perfect, but despite with all of my imperfections, they love me, accept, and understand who I really am. These loyal friends, namely Nomi, Emma, and Pamela Rose, are those who are always right by my side. Yes, we're crazy. We laugh, we cry, and we always talk. And that's what makes it more memorable. I know we're not ideal, but we enjoy life, and that's how it is. I always say to myself, I know that next school year would be different. Going to school knowing that they will not be there is like eating a dinner with just a plate. I want all of you to remember that I will never forget you. The memories we had is the best, and you are my heroes. You know how to make me laugh, and you know it when I'm sad. Thank you for everything. I really love you, my friends, and I'll never forget you. I'm hoping for the best for all of you. Maybe moving on to the next chapter of my life without you would be one of the hardest things I can do. So many times we struggle about our friendship, but we still remain strong. As it goes along the way, our friendship grows to another level, a level which we develop ourselves and discover things together. I will miss you guys. For our advisor, Ms. Bernadette Acheta, thank you for everything. You teach us how to discipline ourselves and improve leadership towards us. The lessons I have learned help me handle situations. Now I know where to place myself in the world where there is freedom, and that freedom neither be taken for granted nor be abused. Thank you for being patient towards our attitude. I know we gave you many problems and oftentimes were at the cost of your strength. We will never forget you and never ending love to your students, and always remember that we love you more than you'll ever know. We don't show it that much, but I know you still appreciate our efforts in doing the best for us. We learn so much from you, and you have marked our minds with your life. We will always be right there by your side whenever you need someone to talk to. You made a big part in molding our lives, and you're one of the most memorable teachers I had. You always make learning fun, enjoying, interactive, and never be boring. We will miss you so much, and we will always keep the lessons we teach us. And lastly, thank you for being our second mom. We love you, and thank you for your enthusiasm to teach us. To Siena College of San Jose, Thank you for serving as a bridge going to success. I promise that I will be loyal to my beloved alma mater. She has witnessed me grow, change, and helped me to be a Christ-centered person. Through her mission to be makajos, makatao, makabayan, makabuhay, makakalikasan. First, being makajos. Siena College taught me the importance of putting God first among the rest. Second, to be makatao at makabayan. I learned to respect everyone's opinion, culture, and beliefs. Third is to be makabuhay, to appreciate how beautiful life is, God has given to us. And lastly, to be makakalikasan, to save Mother Earth, conserve and recycle. Even though this school is not perfect, they give satisfaction to its students. Thank you. Last, but definitely not the least, my parents. The one who are there on the moment my life begins and the journey inside my mother's womb. At a very early age, I have undergone 3 operations due to intestinal problems, but they're still there, never gave up on me. They do everything for me to survive. To Mama, who is always there for me, an incredible, strong, and lovable mother. She gives advice and been there for my whole life through. To Daddy, who always gives his best for us. Inspirational thoughts, moral lessons, and the love he gave to us. To my little sister, Iya, thank you for putting a smile on my face, your honesty and obedience. You're very humble and true to yourself. I love you all and always remember that even though I don't show it too much, I really love you. Congratulations once again, and I wish all of you health, strength, prosperity, and happiness